Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee of Raymond's Dental Solutions. Today, we are delving into the world of revolutionary milling technology, where precision merges with power. Get ready for an exhilarating ride as we unveil the remarkable 5X-500 milling machine. Are you prepared to leap into the future of milling? Allow me to introduce you to a true game changer that's redefining the entire landscape. Behold the 5X-500, boasting a SycoTec spindle, a marvel of German engineering, with an astounding 2.2 kilowatt spindle power. This machine isn't merely about milling, it's about conquering any material challenge, even the daunting cobalt chrome disc. But that's not all. We've elevated convenience to a new level by introducing the 0-point system. What does that mean for you? A seamless experience from precision clamping to effortless cartridge changes. Regular round type, T-type, C-type, and cat block cartridges, they all fit like a glove. And guess what? Our tool changer is armed with 20 versatile tools. Now let's engage in a direct comparison, shall we? In the arena of competition, three major brands bid for supremacy, however, except for VHF R5 due to its big difference. Let's delve into the other competitors. First, let's talk spindles. Our choice, SycoTec, set us apart from the rest, Arum and Psycho. Why? Because in the domain of heavy-duty material milling, SycoTec emerges as the leader. Spindle power matters, and this is where we truly shine. The 5X-500 surges ahead in spindle power, surpassing Arum and Psycho. Weight-wise, our machine stands resolute. Here's the things though, our machines aren't just mechanically assembled on a conveyor belt. They are masterpieces crafted with the precision of skilled Korean hands. This is where integrity and honesty come into play. Our company's policy speaks volumes. We encourage using the 5X-450 for its designated purpose, excluding cobalt chrome disc milling. However, the 5X-500 is built to handle it all, including cobalt chrome disc. Our policy isn't just about business, it's about fostering relationships founded on trust. Let's lay it all on the table. While competitors might make audacious claims, we hold our promises dear. We firmly believe that precision within specifications yields enduring value. As the dust settles and conclusions emerge, I urge you to form your own judgment. Amidst the statistics and features, one undeniable truth surfaces. The 5X-500 isn't just a machine, it's a steadfast partner in crafting excellence. Our commitment runs deep. Your success is our primary focus. Thank you so much for watching.